is monthly review time. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how well aftermarket arbitrage members have done on the platform. So how much money have they made from FBA in the month of May? So let's dive straight into it. We've just had 3,000 new subscribers join us in the last month. We're now at 16,000. So thank you to everyone that's joined the page. Now, if you've subscribed, I imagine that you've done it for a reason, and it's probably a pretty good one. You want to know a little bit more about FBA. Check out our podcasts, our educational videos, and all of sort of the funny vlogs that we do on the channel as well. There's a load of value in there, and we show you how you can start making money alongside your 9 to 5. If you're interested in learning a little bit more, just book a free call with us. We can get you set up for free if you do want to do it, but at least you can just take the call, learn a little bit more about FBA, and decide if you actually want to work with us. First of all, I want to give you a quick example here where you can see some of the products that people are buying. So you've got Welsh Warrior here. Oh my God, have even more in now, all down to £12.50 and all £6 to £10 profit. Last week I got 42 of them and the bubble wrapping killed me. Do I have it in me to buy even more? And there's a shelf full right there. 42, and let's just take an average of £8 profit from that. That is 336 quid. Right? Last week alone, just off this one product from one shelf in Boots. It's there again. Can you see the potential now? Okay, let's jump into it then. Here we got Carl Woods, right? He has done £4,298 of profit. It is his 4th month selling on Amazon, and he's done over £4,000 of profit. Is your job that you're in right now going to give you a £4,000 a month increase within the next 4 months? Probably not. This is a great example of what you can be doing if you're on the platform. We've had a lot of new people, new subscribers coming very recently. So please take note, realize that there is value in this. These are real people getting real results. And you can see as well, he's got 131% return on investment. That means that he's probably spent around about £3,000 to make that £4,300. So he's more than doubling his money. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yep, ready to smash it in June. Next target set and good to go. We've got Wes here. Good month considering a couple of holidays in between. He's done £2,100 of profit. Here we go. You can see his sales each and every month going up as we would expect. It's what we want to see. Consistency, reinvest in the business, and this is how your profits grow. Let's go over to Mike. So over doubled last month, heading in the right direction, 100%. We've got Snoop Luke. £3,559 of profit. That's from 11 grand worth of sales, 77% ROI. They're pretty good numbers. Del Boy here with 13,300 in sales. This is a special one, right? Look at this. Liam, I've made more money this month than I did at my full-time job. That's spending a couple of hours a day alongside working the 9 to 5, alongside having a baby. And he's done £3,300 of profit. Think about it. This is what's possible. If you're new here and you don't really understand FBA, this is what we teach. You can book a call with us in the description down below. But £3,300 of profit whilst having a 9 to 5 and whilst having a baby. Please drop your excuses. If someone can do it with these sorts of variables and these pressures, so can you. We've got C. Taylor. Last month I broke through 5k sales. This month broke through 6. Where next? Sky's the limit. 1,200 profit there. A lifetime member here. This member paid around about £550 for that to be on our platform forever and never pay again. And they've done £2,751 of profit in 1 month. Is that a good investment in yourself? I'll let you answer that. 4th month for Tate here, £5,625 of profit. Look, 5,600 quid, 4 months in. We've got Colin, my best month since starting, been deep in revising for university finals, so only been on 2 retail arbitrage trips. Looking forward to putting more time back into FBA and seeing where it takes me. So from 2 retail arbitrage trips, so going out, let's say 2 days to various different stores, he's managed to do £448 of profit. That could have been 2 days. I doubt it's going to be like a 9 to 5. He's probably done maybe 5 hours a day max, 10 hours of work, £448 of profit. Happy days. And that's whilst at university. You can do this alongside your 9 to 5, alongside your studies. FBA is supposed to be flexible, supposed to work around you, and then you can decide if you want to do it full time or not. The potential's there. We've got Pock here. If you're new, check out the podcast with Pock, but we have got him doing in the month of May £7,600 of profit, all retail arbitrage, all of his profit has come from going into shops like Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury's, Home Bargains, wherever it may be, picking up products off the shelf, putting it into his shopping basket and just buying it and sending it to Amazon. £7,600. You could have done the exact same. It sat on the shelves of supermarkets and shops that you're walking into each and every week. We got Tim. First sale went through today. Awesome. And Tim's already bought Lifetime, so that's a very positive sign. And he's only just got his first sale. Jumping in at the deep end, we like to see it. We've got Collie here. Now this is a good one. He has just hit 300,000 in Lifetime sales. That's pretty incredible. Again, he's another Lifetime member with us. Look, he's built a business. He started with us. He's purchased a membership that's 500 odd quid. You don't even need to do that at the start. You can pay £50 a month. And he's been able to build a business that's generated £300,000 in revenue. We've got In Demand here. He did £6,529 of profit, and you can see 92% return on investment. So what you're looking at there is he's probably had to spend $7,000 to make 6,500 back. Pretty good. He's made 6,500 on top of that 7,000, so then he can go into the next month with 13,500 ready to go again. This is how quickly your money can grow. This is a really good one. Alex Kane, another £600 trolley. The face of shock when people look makes it even better. Now, the last one that I want to go back to is from Liam. So this was posted at the end of May, and it's really important because it stresses what aftermarket arbitrage is as a platform. It's not just somewhere where you're going to come in and make a load of money. It's also a community. There's a community of like-minded people, entrepreneurs who all want more out of life, who want to be around people with the same goals and vision as them. So if you feel like maybe your circle, wherever you're at right now, they're not a good influence on you, jumping into a platform like this is a great way to meet people who are all working towards being very successful each and every day. You know what the saying is, you are the sum of the 5 people around you. Take a look at those right now. What are those 5 people? Do you want to be the 6th? Do they all go down to the pub every weekend and spend all of the money that they've just made throughout that week and then go back to work the next week and hate their job and like they live for nothing, just live for the weekend? Do you want to be that person next? I assume not, and I would hope not. You can see here, Liam Firth, I want to give a huge thanks to Hasbar. He's had some unfortunate issues with his Amazon account. He has got it back now, by the way. I will prove that to you in a moment. He then gave Liam all of his stock, broke even on it, and then it's made Liam's life a lot easier because he's been able to go away and sell all of that inventory without having to source it too hard. But Hasbar, he did Liam a massive favor there, and Liam basically did him a favor as well. It's basically just through building relationships on the platform. These two people, when certain situations have happened, they've made sure that no one's lost money, and Liam's come out of it on top, and you'll see that Hasbar has as well. But look, you can see, honestly, I'm so chuffed and cannot explain how much appreciation I have. You've no idea how much you've helped me out. I hope you get good karma and manage to sort things out very soon. So let's go to Hasbar now. But look, as I'm scrolling here, look, you can see Liam there, 59 quid profit before getting out of bed. Aaron, 680 quid before midday. There we go. Hasbar, 4 weeks later, I am fucking back. Fuck Amazon and their shitty support. Yes, it's problematic. Miss this so much, and now I'm ready to smash it all over again. Look, we'll help you get stuff fixed. Stuff goes wrong, remember, that is why we're here. We have a support team on our platform that will help you navigate through all of the problems that your business may face. So if this is something that interests you, you want to make a little bit of extra money, you want to pay for the summer holidays, you want to get that new car, the mortgage, do you want to cover that? Whatever your goal is, find your why and then get in touch down below. We'll help you get set up free of charge and then get you onto the platform so you can try those out for a month and then you decide if you want to stay or not. There's no forcing, there's no contracts, it's completely up to you. Take a look in the description below, get your call booked in with myself and my team. We'll see if we're a good fit to work together and we will go from there. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and make sure to subscribe and we will catch you in the next one.